Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Biometrics. When you're ready, click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Now you can tap on Disclaimer, check it out and go back. Then click on Start at the bottom, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now select Done, click on OK in Attention pop-up and manage those options however you want to. You can even disable or enable Face Unlock. When you finished, click on Home button. And finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!